What up YouTube, we are back with another video. This is the Curv smart IP camera. So I picked these guys up on eBay from the guys over at Curv. These are PTZ cameras with a built-in storage card. So the specs on these things are pan, tilt, zoom. Sorry, not pan, tilt, zoom. Pan and tilt movement. That's up, down, left and right. It's got a motion detector, 32GB memory card. Obviously I'm going to be increasing that to, maybe I might stick in like a 128 if it supports it, or maybe 64, whichever supports it. Two-way audio as well, and they've also got like built-in features with Amazon Alexa and Google Voice Assistant as well. So that's the video lens right there, infrared, and also you've got the, it doesn't require, you've got a cloud storage available. Subscription is required, you don't actually have to do that. Mains powered, and you can watch from anywhere. So basically the reason that I'm doing this video is purely because I've got Hive, I've got Nest, I've got Ring. All these paid for subscriptions drive me nuts. It's a lot of money that if you're getting all these services and you're paying for all this sort of stuff, it's pointless. So I've got use it for home and business, and I picked up this camera. Actually not this camera, I picked up one for the outdoor camera, and by far I have to admit the Curv outdoor camera that I picked up with the magnetic base, you can see the things online as well, has the best range. I mean, I've used boosters, I've used everything as well, and it doesn't require a booster, and it had perfect range, and it just worked it just worked perfectly. I'm gonna go into it, open it up, and see exactly what's inside the box and show you exactly how this camera looks like. So on my phone here, I've got the Curv Smart app, and I've got the Curv I. So the one that I was previously using was called the Curv I. So this requires the Curv Smart app. So this is what it's like inside the box. So it's got a micro USB cable here, so that's to power the device. You also got a iPhone-like, so it's a very similar sort of USB to mains adapter, which is exactly the same as one that you get with like an iPhone. The older iPhone, that is iPhone 5s and stuff. And also you got a little bracket here, so you can mount it onto this bracket, and then you can basically move it to a certain position if you want to basically move position. And underneath there you've got some screws that you can use for mounting this camera to wherever you want to put it. Okay, and then this is the camera. So let's have a look at this thing here. It feels a bit plasticky, it doesn't feel all that strong. The motor, yeah, okay, it feels cheap. It wasn't too expensive, but I would assumed it would have been a stronger quality, so it's pretty cheap plastic. It's got Ethernet port on the back as well, so if you don't have Wi-Fi, you can connect by Ethernet. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead. Unlike the other unboxings, I'm going to actually test and I'm going to show you this thing and how it works and see how. So we're back here. I've already gone ahead and I've plugged it in, so it's powered up. So it doesn't have any onboard power, so it has to be always plugged in all the time. So I did actually remove the cable to see if there's any power in it, and it doesn't have any power. On the front, it's got these little infrared lights. So it's got 6 lights at the front. So it checks infrared. Okay, camera's on. And I've already gone ahead and I've paired the camera as well. So I've downloaded the app already, which was the Curv Smart. So I saw on the side it says Curv Smart, not Curv I. So I've gone ahead and I've connected it up, picked up the camera here as well because obviously I couldn't get an angle. And right now it shows it in black and white. So you've got a little button here, you click, and it can go into HD. So there you go. The tracking isn't as fast on HD, so you do lose that. But if you click on the standard definition, as you can see, the tracking gets a bit quicker on standard definition as well, as you can see. So it automatically switches into night mode here. It's a bit dark on the floor, and also you get a notification here that it's detecting movement as well. Features are screenshot. You can take a screenshot, so if you detect something, you can also speak to it as well. You can hit the record button and a recording link, or you can set this up through the app as well to record a motion, or just continually just record a motion. Direction as well, so you click direction, you can go down, and you can go up, you can go left, and you can go right as well. So that is that. Here, if I go down here, and you've also got a little alarm button here. So you've got this little thing here, it just tells you a notification of when you perceive it. So you can set a little alarm here as well to let you know if something's moving in front of the camera and something's not away. But okay, so that was the Curv. Even though it's a lot sort of flimsier, it's cheap plastic compared to the other Curv that I bought. I haven't done a video on that as well, but the one that convinced me that these guys had a solid, good product, and I can trust these guys. Because definitely go out, think about this. If you are looking to buy a half decent smart IP camera as well, check out these things, which is the smart Wi-Fi IP cameras from Curv. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and like, subscribe. This has been Ace. Peace out. Peace.